Emergency alert. Emergency alert. This is not a test. A tsunami has appeared in the UK and will affect these places: Birmingham, London, Essex, Edinburgh and finally Middlesex. This was brought by the whole of UK and for else this tsunami is the greatest tsunami we've had and you must run for your life if you live in these places as we, the government, we are trying to identify that tsunami or mega tsunami. The information will be broadcast on this TV and sirens will be hard and all clear if that tsunami is gone. Get shelter and find food or leave the UK until you think it's safe. We and God will bless you.